name is Puck and I'd like a little shorter cut to my...
shoulder length cut.
Yes.
Okay, we turn around to show your current hair. And you have a lot of hair.
Yeah, it's very thick.
Okay. I start with washing your hair. Hello friends on YouTube. Back from washing her hair. She has a lot of hair. I think I'm going to tail it because I can donate it, not in the Netherlands but in Belgium you can. So that's what I'm going to do. Otherwise it's just waste, and that's a pity. Because she is young and she has strong hair, it's always good for donations. You always make her other happy with it. And she's a lovely person, so that's what I find important when I have hair from somebody who donates it.
So somebody else.
I don't like it from a bitch. Brush it with Olivia Garden brush, knowing the length she likes. She wants it playful, she wants some layering to the front, but not too strong. And she has so much hair that the Olivia Garden brush has to work to get through the hairs. So I told her in the beginning, when you have a brush like this, and you stand up in the morning, throw your hair to the front, start at the underlines, then throw your hair back to the back, and then do the upper lines. Turn it so you can watch with me. Now this is not the length you can donate in the Netherlands, but in Belgium you can, so that's why I also donate this. So knowing where she likes to have the line of her hair, take the hairs on the tail, take a rubber band, and for the security I take 2. Watch if in the center line. Pull the hair a bit to the back so I have a good line to work on. En voor de waal, want anders pikken ze me een goede pluk misschien.
Ja.
Take off a lot of weight. Hoe voelt dat?
Ja, heel kort. Ja. Goed hoor.
Kijk. So this we're going today to Belgium.
Nou,
Klaar.
Ja, zet het zo uit.
we zijn klaar.
Okay, turn up. Take the hairs on the center line. Get on the skull bone. Part the hairs to the sides. Pin up. Because it's a lot of weight, take 2 clips. A little bit to the front so I can get to the underlines. Lift the hairs a little bit up. Create a soft line with point cut. And when I was washing her hair, I saw that the shampoo she used is not good because the water flows from her hair. So there's something in the shampoo she has that does this. And what I mostly tell to people who want to buy in the store shampoo, take a brand, because when you take a brand, they cannot do crazy things with shampoos. So when you take Wella, Schwarzkopf, L'Oreal, they have to produce a good product, otherwise you wouldn't buy it. And it's always the best for hair, and especially when you take L'Oreal, in France they have all long hair, the girls, so you're certain that it's also made for long hair. T.K.S. over the natural rounds. Go to the center line. And don't take off much here, because I don't need to take off much. I created already a perfect line just by using the natural shapes. Using again the roundings of the skull, go to the underline, watch the line I just created with my comb. Watch through the hairs on the cutting line. Now I went from ear to ear, so I take the hairs in the center, watch in the center, and they are both the same length, so I'm certain that both lines are the same. Take 2 centimeters more. Once again, gently lay the hairs into the natural roundings. Go to the underline. And once again, there's hardly anything coming up. So connect all the lines to the back.
Lekker licht, druk daar.
Mhm.
Als je je hoofd omdraait in bed, ineens
Haar weg.
Ja. Wil je het zwemmen straks?
ja,
Zwem je veel?
Nee, nu niet, maar...
in de zomervakanties.
Lekker. Continue on connection of lines. Make use of the natural roundings always. And when I was washing her hair, I could see the perfect lines of her skull. So I know that I don't have to worry about the way her implant is. Nou, het is inderdaad een hele vracht haar. Maar wel lekker.
Volgens mij lijkt het een beetje op mijn haar, vind ik. Het is veel, maar niet per se dik van zichzelf, maar veel.
Nou, zij heeft nog wel heel zwaar haar. We kunnen dat niet precies zeggen. Zij moet nog 1 fase door. Dat is de terminale fase. Klinkt even zwaar.
Ja.
Maar je terminale haar heb je pas rond je 20ste.
Oh ja.
Dus zij gaat nog 1 keer al het haar verliezen. Daar merk je niks van, maar dat gaat natuurlijk niet in 1 keer allemaal.
En dan weet je wat,
En dan weet je wat voor haar je hebt.
Oh ja.
En dat kan alleen nog veranderen door chemokuren of door hele sterke stress. Of,
Ja.
maar verder eigenlijk
Zwangerschappen.
niet. Zwangerschap ook nog wel, maar dan komt het vaak wel weer naar de hand goed.
Ja.
Now come to the front. So lift the hairs up. Don't force. Just see where the line is. Lift the hairs up. And this is the line behind the ear. So it's not the front of the ear. Give it a little bit of rounding into the lines of the skull. With the tip of my fingers I point to the center line of the back. So I take the total center line as a guide. do this of course on both sides. Now my knuckles point into that line. So just create a little bit rounding to the back. So I get a softer line and a softer top. Now I come to the front. Hallo. Mooi as a kid. Coming to the front, getting to the layering. Now I'm gonna use a hot razor again, because it's the best tool to do this. It doesn't damage the hairs. It holds the softness and it never irritates the skin lines, because the hairs will be sealed at the ends. Here's the line of cutting. This is the front. So start in the center line, a little bit off, and gently go down. And in her case, she has also get rid of all the old blonde lines in the tips. So her hair will totally look a little bit darker. Connect it to the back. Go to the other side. Watch the hairs. The nice thing that her hair gives also away the line of cutting. Connect it to the back. Lift hairs over. Watch at the lines. Do the same to the other side. With a flat knife, take a little bit away the weight of the hairs, so it gets a nicer, softer fall to the back, because her weight is a lot. So you see it get only away the dry ends of the hairs. Hold it into the line, go down, knowing that this tool seals the hairs. So she has no split ends, in her case, for more than 6 months. So when she wants a new cut, she has to come in October, November. Or she would have like to have ultra short hair. Then she comes much earlier. Take the hairs from the center of the top to the front. Here I make a little connection, not much. Once again with a flat knife. So I have a little bit layer on top also, but certainly not too much. Sowieso naar je moeder kijken. Niet dat we dadelijk een Madonna hebben zitten in plaats van rond haar. Now so far the cut. So now I can dry her hair. Let's start blow drying her hair. Take a shaper, it's a product of Lakme. The whole bottle is product, there's no gas in it. Comb this through the hairs. Now this takes some time to dry. So start blow drying with a light brush. I'll show you the blow dryer in a second. Pin up the hairs, start the neckline building up. Take this amazing tool, make a photo of it. It's a max tool into the video. Je wordt nog steeds lichter, hè, je haar.
Ja.
Want je merkt nou, als er water in zit, hoe zwaar je haar dan is.
Nou, eerst merkte ik het verschil niet hoor.
Nee,
maar nu
maar
wel.
nu wel.
En waarom zou je dan de verkeerde pony doen? Gewoon,
En die is zo mooi als bij haar gezicht.
hè? Nee, ik was op zoek naar wat maakt het nou dat het zo...
Dit is veel mooier zachte haar.
Ja,
Als
ja.
kijk eens zo'n klompetje klomp. Ik vind dit wel heel mooi bij haar staan, bij haar gezichtje.
Ja, heeft ook een mooie vorm. Dit is-
Nou, en een droog.
Nou,
For so far, blow drying. Now her hair feels really wonderful. It's beautiful on one line. Layers in the front, but I think it suits her. I thank her for being my model. I thank you for watching. She will certainly turn around to show you the end result and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye bye. Pukje maar een rondje draaien. Een lekkere bos haar, hè?
ja.
Dank je.
Hi, my name is Puk and I'd like a little shorter cut to
Yeah,
my...
shoulder length cut.
Yes.
Okay, we turn around to show your current hair. And you have a lot of hair.
Yeah, it's very thick.
Okay. I start with washing your hair.